In this video, we'll take a quick look at my Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Pro X, which just got back from repairs. Repair actually took very short time. I was surprised, because when I left it, they said it would be 2 to 3 weeks, but it was around 10 days or so. And that's not working days, that's actual days. 1.5 weeks, and then it was done. I just got back from my trip to London, and now I picked it up yesterday, and we're gonna have a closer look at what they did to it, and make sure that it works as it should. I'm W2Best, I make in-depth gear reviews and tutorials. And if you like this kind of content, I would be super happy if you want to put a like on the video and maybe also subscribe to the channel. This is the return delivery, the way I got it from the retailer when I picked it up yesterday. We have the charger. We have got the report of the repair, which says that they have replaced the motherboard and the upper case and tested it okay. Let's open it up. Since this laptop powers on automatically when you open the lid, let's open the lid and see what is happening. As you could see there, it was powering on perfectly fine, and it is now started up in Windows. I wasn't able to format the SSD before sending this off for repairs, since I couldn't get into the machine at all. But now it came back in a formatted state, so nothing that was on it is there anymore. Any work that I have done is stored in the cloud, which is a good thing in cases like this, but a pretty bad thing when you get hacked, as my Google account just recently was. I'll make sure to update Windows 11 to its latest state and then test the laptop a bit more to see that everything is working as it should. Hopefully, this concludes the series of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Pro X. Errors like this with the motherboard failing is something that can happen regardless of manufacturer, but a lot of people claim, and I can agree to some cases, that Lenovo have a bit of a bad quality control. But keep in mind, this motherboard failure thing is something that has happened for me with even Apple devices. Even though this mishap happened, I can still claim that this is one of the best PC laptops that I have been trying. And if you're in the market for a 14-ish inch laptop, I would really recommend this one, even though the motherboard failed in this particular unit. If you want to go a bit deeper on the issues that people have with this machine, then you can read some of the comments on the videos that I've been publishing before in this series on Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Pro X. I haven't had much fan noise, I haven't had much heat, but now I was definitely experiencing part of this quality control with a laptop that completely died on me and had to be sent for repairs. I hope you have a really nice day, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!